Let's do my face makeup and wig installation together and you be the judge. I'm now doing my final touches. I've laid my wig. I hope it's clean. I'm gonna pat my lace nicely to give it a nice, beautiful, professional look. What else? After so much effort, I hope this turns out to be great. Okay, so I think that's enough to make that nice defined curl. And I'll just finish it up with my, let me spray a bit of water to define the curls nicely. Okay. And so far the curl looks great. Let me just turn around so that you see the back of the hair. That's how the curl looks, and I'll show you the final outcome when I'm done. And guys, this is the final look that we're working with, and I think I have done so much better, and I'm proud of myself. So this is just the final look. It's up to you to judge me. How is this wig installation? How is the makeup? Bye.